guys, I'm Alex Monet. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you like my quick go-to makeup routine. It's been a while since I recorded a video, so I figured I would show you the look that I come up with. It's very basic. You don't need a lot of stuff. Very much beginner friendly. I'm gonna use my Morphe 350, which looks more like this, and there's a ton of colors here and it's very neutral. I think I'm gonna use this. So yeah, my brows are already done. I'm gonna touch them up a little bit, but I'm gonna do that off camera. So let me go ahead and clip my hair back, get that out of the way, and we're gonna get into this face. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go in with some primer to put all over my face. I'm going to be using this Fenty primer. It's the small one. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And I like to use a stippling brush to apply it. This is actually from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. And I'm just going to apply that to my face. Girl, let me find out there ain't nothing in here. The embarrassment, honey. That's okay because we gonna use it. So just blend this all over your face. The concealer I'm using today, and I'm trying it out, that's why it's so tiny, is the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep Honey, I believe. Yeah, it's Deep Honey. And yeah, it's really, really good. So, and I know you're probably like, girl, you gonna put your concealer on first? Yes, honey. But I am also going to cover up some marks. I do have some dark marks over here just acne scars. But I'm going to apply that, let it dry a little, not a lot, but a little bit, and blend it out. And then we'll move on to foundation, and then we'll move on to eyes. And I got this mini version from Ulta Beauty. I'm gonna blend out this product with it's an e.l.f. Concealer brush actually. Okay, no, this is like, I don't know which brush this is, y'all. It don't even matter, but get you a domed brush like this. To me, it's the best for like blending out. But I'm actually going to blend out my face and then under my eyes because I want that to sit for a little bit longer. And this is literally just to cover the dark marks. Like I'm not necessarily trying to color correct, although it does help, but this is a little bit lighter than my skin, so I'm not necessarily trying to color correct. I would use an orange or like a peachy orange to color correct the dark spots, but for the sake of this video and for time purposes, I'm not doing all of that. I'm just gonna put my concealer that I would typically use on those dark spots. And as you can see, like, it does help kind of blur those marks. You really don't see them. So I'm going to continue blending, and I'll be back. Gonna go in with my foundation. Some people are like, oh, you should set it. Some people will say you should set under your eyes, and Probably right. I'm actually going to end up putting my foundations kind of on top of this. And the foundations I'm using are both by Maybelline. I love, oh shoot, never mind. I actually love Maybelline foundations. I'm going to use both of my tried and trues. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, and this is in the color 356 Warm Coconut. And I also have the Maybelline Superstay Activewear in 360 Mocha. So you can see the slight difference, and I do have a slightly yellow undertone to my face. And I'm going to be using, girl, this no name brush, flathead no name brush from, I think, Amazon. And I'm literally on the back of my hand. Oh, child. On the back of my hand, I'm going to put a pump of this. And then I'm going to add like a little teeny tiny bit of the Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, so I'm going to put this top back on. So these are both of the colors, and I'm just going to kind of mix them together because literally I'm a mix of these colors. And I'm going to begin like putting my foundation on. Coverage is good. Now, one thing I am going to do, I have like a mixed concoction powder that I have here. This is a 1 ounce, 3/4 ounce jar from the beauty, ooh, honey, from the beauty supply store. I should have. From the beauty supply. And here's some in the top. And I'm literally just going to wipe the top out and go and set under my eyes. Go ahead, set under my eyes. And because we don't be doing all that baking and shit, we're gonna just brush off that excess product. And if I have some left, I'm gonna set my laugh lines. And I want y'all to know, like, this ain't really like me doing my makeup like, oh girl, this might be face. This is literally when I have like about a half an hour to get ready, and then another half an hour to get to where I gotta go, or less sometimes. This is a look that I do. Hold on. Here comes the fun part. Now, at this point, you can add something to your eyelid. I'm just actually gonna go in with my foundation brush and just whatever is left on there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put on my eyeshadow, and this is pretty much gonna be the last thing. I don't do a whole bunch of stuff. I am gonna put some mascara and some lashes and some lips on, but I'm not gonna do all that on the camera. I think I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 350. I don't know if it's 350 or 350. I said 350. 350 or 350, like O as in octopus or O as in 0. I don't know. But I'm gonna go in. Hold on. I think I'm gonna go in with either I'm gonna go in with Cafe and Slight. That's these colors right here. This is Cafe and this is Slight. So these two colors. And yes, honey, I will be mixing them together. And I'm going to put this in my crease. Like, this is going to work best in my crease. And I'm using this brush. It was from a Ipsy bag. I don't fucking know. But anyway, it's a blending brush by the brand Scone. I think I'm saying that right. And I'm going to just press that right into the crease, which is literally between my brow bone and my mobile lid. And once I press it down enough in this corner, I'm actually going to begin to blend it out. Then I think I'm gonna go in with Choco, which is this color right here. I'm so sorry if my fingers are dusty. This color right here. I don't know why I'm apologizing for my dusty ass fingers, but I just hate when my nails aren't done. I don't feel like a bad bitch, but that's okay because I will be, period. All right, so I'm gonna blend out my crease color with Choco. See, now you see that we're creating a little bit of dimension. It's not just one flat ass shit. I'm gonna go back in with Slight, and I'm actually gonna bring that in. Slight is a little bit softer than Cafe, and I'm gonna bring that in onto my mobile lid. And I'm sorry if I'm like not quite in frame. And I'm literally going to do this look with pretty much one freaking brush. Next, I'm actually going to go in with my contour and blush kit from e.l.f. and Turks and Caicos. And you can see, like, I love this. Like, I've dug in this. But this is what we're going to use for the rest of this look. And I'm going to take... I don't know which one is Turks and which one is Caicos, but we're going to take the brown one and I'm going to go on my entire mobile lid. And because I want this color to be kind of flat, I don't want to blend it too much. Okay, now I'm just going to look down. You see how, like, it is kind of like, hold on. It's simple. It's simple and it's foolproof. Like, I'm not going to show y'all something that y'all can't use. And I'm even going to take that a little bit higher up. Okay, I like that. And then next, what I'm going to do, go in with Legacy, which is, hold on y'all, this big ass palette, which is right here. I'm going to go in with Legacy right there. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And that is going to give me my highlight. And that's it. So I'm going to do the other eye, have some liner and some lashes, probably some lipstick stuff, and we'll be back. Okay. Back, and I got my lip liner. And don't say nothing about my tiny ass lip liner because I know it's little. But this is the this is the lip liner. It's by NYX Cappuccino. You can literally, that's literally what's left. This is my favorite lip liner. And I'm only using this because I have literally like 3 or 4 more of these in a normal size. But I figured I would just go ahead and use this. So I'm going to line my lips really quick. Hold on. Child, this was stressful. I'm trying to use that. I'm blinded just a little bit. Okay. Anyway, so I have 2 lip glosses, and I love Butter Glosses by NYX. This is the one in Praline, and it's this color. And then I have Makeup Revolution Sheer Brilliant Lip Gloss in Het Turner, and that looks like this. So I think I'm going to go in with some of Praline. Praline is my favorite, like, lip gloss. Like, I love me a nude lip gloss. Any kind of nude. Pink nude, brown nude, taupey kind of nude, like that grayish nude, but not like all the time. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little bit of head turner, just like around, like, so, you know, like more or less in the center. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's pretty much freaking it. I really love how it turned out. I'm gonna get close so you can see. I hope like my lashes are cooperating. So yeah, when you step back some, you can really see everything together. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I hope you subscribe and all that stuff. You know, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, because I will have more content coming soon, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. But yes, I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch some of my other ones. I do have a couple other videos. Check those out too. Let me know down in the comments if you like this look, if you like the video, and if you want to see more videos from me. And until next time, guys, bye.